And now still in Geneva. And they put the important institutions like racial discrimination, anti-torture, so on, every one of these areas, promising that Hong Kong's way of life.
And been captive under the communist Chinese authoritarian control since 1949. To move into Uyghur homes, to live with them, to eat with them, and even sleep with the women when their husbands are taken to the concentration camps. According to numerous testimonies from former inmates, inside of the camps, detainees are intensely indoctrinated with Communist Party propagandas and forced to renounce their religion while studying Xi Jinping's. That in the hearts and the minds of the Chinese Communist Party leaders, every place could be a battlefield in the future by challenging Western democratic systems in the world and the undermining internationally recognized rule of law. Beijing is indeed treating every single country as their own battlefield, taking extraordinary measures to target individuals and the whole governments to keep them quiet. In September 2018, she became the victim due to my activism in America as an American citizen. Unfortunately, my sister's story is not unique. China harasses Uyghurs in diaspora with relatives back home, presenting them with heartbreaking choices that doesn't practice communication. The original thought and the religious beliefs are danger to any communist regime. Now, this totalitarian ideology has returned to the world with Xi Jinping, visible in the persecution of the Uyghurs, Tibetans, and what's happening in Hong Kong today. These blatant violations of human rights by the Chinese Communist regime is only one part of the rising tide of intolerance that is rapidly suffocating the world. Our struggle should be the concern of everyone who values the basic human rights of dignity, respect, and the freedom of belief for all. Chinese Communist government's actions in my homeland now include every single act listed in the 1948 Genocide Convention, each of which the world, including China, is obligated to prevent. China is getting away with genocide, and not only that, China is getting rewarded today with hosting Winter Olympic 2022. The International Olympic Committee must safeguard the core values the Olympics have been built upon. The Olympics is a unique international event. It's not about trade or politics. It's not about which country has the most power or the most money. It's about people coming together to celebrate their differences. Because of hatred and racial discrimination, does not respect those values. Will we be able to uphold the vow, never again, and with real actions to follow? Or shall we sadly witness the repeat of the 1938 Munich Pact as countries around the world avoided acknowledging Nazi Germany's acts? Thank you so much.